So you're probably wondering what makes Skin Salvation products so unique and so effective. What's the magic formula? Success comes with your dedication to the program, along with our tried and true skincare regimens. The products in our online shop are the exact same products we use in clinic to great success. Our 4-step regimen is simple and effective, and depending on what type of skin you have will determine the type of kit you're gonna get. Normal to oily skins will go with the classic Getting Started Kit, and normal to dry skins will go with the Moisturizing Kit. Our cleansers are gentle yet effective with high quality results. They rid the skin of makeup, environmental pollutants, and oils built up during the day. Icing is a really important part of the program. Directly applying cold, wet ice to the skin helps treat and prevent inflammation. It also increases product penetration, so the acne-fighting ingredients in the steps following can get deep down into the pores where they need to be. Our Mandelic Toners are the hero product of the regimen. These hardworking multitaskers gently exfoliate, purge acne impactions, brighten the skin, and boost collagen production. Using a quarter-sized amount on a non-woven, professional-grade toner pad twice a day helps to calm inflammation for clearer skin. Sunscreen during the day is key, vital for protecting your healing skin. We've found the best physical formulas on the market that are acne-safe and moisturizing at the same time. As part of our regimen, sunscreen is an essential safeguard against harsh environments. Moisturizing at night is just as important, even for oily skin. Keeping the skin pliable is ideal for clearing out impacted pores. Too little moisture will keep those acne seeds tightly packed into your skin. Our Hydrating Cream does the job for most all skin types and can even be layered with your sunscreen for days when you need just a little extra moisture. Skin Salvation works for all skin types, so as you run out of products, you can consult one of our expert estheticians to help tweak your regimen and adjust it as your skin needs. We even have travel size kits for on the go. Just a few days of using courtesy toiletries at the hotel or at the gym can undo all of your hard work, so we definitely don't want to take any chances. Call or visit our website at skinsalvationsf.com to order your Getting Started Kit today.